Sometimes you got to go onto bones, but don't do the same kind of thing. See how this one's a real stretch, and we can kind of work that tissue and work all that adhesive kind of tissue, make it back to nice and squishy and stretchy again. G'day guys, it's Ninja and Farnsey here.
Hi guys.
We're just enjoying some sunlight.
Absolutely.
It's coming into winter here. We've just got to salvage any bit of sunlight we can, while we can. So
exactly before winter hits.
Yeah. So Farnsey's got a bit of a tight neck. So this is a common thing that people would have. So I'm going to show you how we would do a quick treatment on the neck, seated. So it's a dynamic treatment because it's in the posture that Farnsey would be feeling his pain in. But see how I'm kind of getting into this tendon here. Help me with the anatomy, Farnsey. This levator scap or something like that. Scapula, yeah. So levator scap starts down here on your bloody scap. How about that? And it elevates your scap, is that right?
Correct.
Oh, top points for bloody Latin Ninja. Here we go. So I'm getting into this spot here because this levator scap goes up through and joins in up in here.
Yeah.
So it's the same bloody muscle. So we're getting into this tendon here first up, and this can help with the neck pain where you might be feeling it here. Because it might be that muscle there that's got pressure and stress and tension on both ends of that same muscle. So Farnsey is just naturally moving his head around here and trying to stretch it, and then what he'll be doing is he'll be getting different aspects of my pressure will go into different little parts of that knot, tissue down there that's all rough and jagged and spurred and different things like that, tight and tense and bound up.
Sorry for interrupting your video, guys, but I want to talk to you about the MMT Online Academy. So you might have been looking at Ninja and I doing our stuff for a long time now thinking, how good would it be to work at MMT? But you might be overseas. This is your chance to get exclusive content updates from us every single day to make you a better practitioner, more new customers, better results, and skyrocket your income. So if you want to be on the inner sanctum, get into the Academy. All you got to do is dedicate 5 minutes a day to making yourself better, and it's just $28 per month. How good's that? $7 a week. Let's go!
Dense. And he can choose his own adventure to a point. So he can get the parts of that tension in there worked by just moving. So he can kind of use me as a massage tool. I just shifted over this way a little bit towards his midline, and I can feel there's even thicker bunched up tissue just here. So we can really work that out. So a lot of times if we can really work where that origin is, that tension originated, then up through the muscle itself will feel a lot better. Because a lot of times it's all the origins, insertions that hold all the tension, all the gunk, stress, whatever you want to call it, the pain. So if we can kind of effectively work it here.
Right here.
Yeah.
Pressing. That's where I feel referral pain.
Yeah, man. So yeah, we're treating like a satellite treatment, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, so we're not actually directly on that spot, but we're actually affecting that spot. So it's bloody cool. So, and I'm just sort of just creeping across towards the midline a little bit more, but I'm just following the tension, that tendon there. I can really feel that one. So I'm just going to pin that down, and Farnsey is going to floss it just by moving his head around. Yeah. How's it feeling, man?
Good.
Yeah. So you got to have that knowing, when you're getting treatment, you got to know that there's a genuine connection there, that person is tuned in to what's going on for you, and they're delivering, treatment that you know just from the feel of it that it is therapeutic, it's on the right spot. They can feel a progression, it starts off as intense, and then they can feel that it melts, that kind of intensity of the sensation is no longer there. You feel like they've let up some pressure, but it's actually been a release. And that's what we're after. Just gonna do a little bit of a scoop up, along, and into that bit there. You loving it, mate?
Oh, that's just increased the referral pain, just the base of my neck.
Yeah. There we go. So
it's good.
We're treating the neck. We're treating somewhere different. How's that? Bloody good. So yeah, I can feel that starting to go now.
Yeah.
So that's cool. Into there. So I might go up into this spot here now. We could probably do a bit more work on there, but just for time's sake, I'll just show you how we can kind of get in underneath the occiput there. So I can kind of one finger on top of the other and drive underneath there and just really connect in with these spots that hold all this stress and tension. If you have got stress and tension in these spots, you'll kind of be, your mirror neurons be firing right now and be saying, oh, I want some of this. You know, you can tell, you know, you probably watch lots of videos where they're doing lots of fast movement kind of treatment, but when you kind of really hold something, it's a really different kind of sensation. There's got to be there's an acceptance from you that it's sort of a good spot. You know it as being something that's important to you and it's been stuck and given you bother. Yeah. And then when you access it, just sinking into it and just wait there. After a bit, there's this surrendering, and because you know that it's good for you. Yep. You just know, don't you?
You certainly do.
So,
and the pain is easing, definitely.
Yep. Like that. And then what I might do is get my thumb, get the bigger tool out. It's going to push up under there like that.
Oh, man.
So giving a little bit of a stretch at the same time, pulling down on the shoulder and just really connecting right in with a spot that really needs to work. Up under there. And I could probably go up and over onto the skull as well. It's that fascial continuum, the thing I love to talk about. It can really go that, can continue on into the fascia that continue on beyond that base of the skull. So there's no gaps and joins and different things like that. The fascia just continues on and on and on all around our body. So sometimes you've got to go onto bones, but don't do the same kind of thing. See how this one's a real stretch? And we can kind of work that tissue and work all that adhesive kind of tissue, make it back to nice and squishy and stretchy again, like that. Just hold these spots, like that. And I can do one more thing with you. How you feeling, man? You can do a little test before I do this last little move.
Oh, feels better.
Feels good?
Yeah, it does. Actually, this one feels
So now I'm going to engage in this tissue here, right in that spot where he needed it. So I'm going to tune into that, find that exact spot, wait for it to melt. So just got to sink into it, be patient. Get into that depth that it needs to, in order to make that change. It's not going to change at a more superficial pressure with this sort of side here. And then once I'm in there, I'm going to try and stretch it down. That's it, man. Stretch it down.
Oh, that's good.
Really lengthen out that tissue that's stressed and bound up. Work it out.
It's so good.
It's one finger. Like that, and then I can just sort of let up on your head, and you can move around a bit now. And I'm just going to hold one finger, like that. Good, huh?
Oh.
One finger, mate.
I know.
How good is it? Stretching it out.
Shows you how tight it is. Oh, that's better. It's
like
interesting. Same pressure that you've applied there. It's not as painful. Yet where the sore spots are, applying the same pressure is very, very painful.
Yeah.
Shows you how stuck it is.
So move it around again. Tell me how it's feeling.
Oh, better.
Better?
Better.
Is there any spots that haven't kind of had any work and you'd want to...
Better? No.
You're feeling pretty good?
No, pretty good. Yeah, no, it's better than what it was. Definitely. I couldn't rotate that much.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's good. I'm happy with that.
Yeah. Anyway, if you've got neck issues, maybe this is the kind of treatment you need, and maybe you can see Farnsey.
You can come and see me and I'll help you with that.
He'll do the same treatment.
I've been happy, so you too can be happy.
Yeah, and look out for Farnsey's series. He's going to do some musicians, some common things that musicians get, you know.
Exactly.
Yeah, probably going to fire up with violin or guitar for a start.
We can do that.
But it was going to go through even singers, they're musicians, drummers. Even though there's a lot of drumming jokes out there, but
No,
you don't know any of them. No, we won't say them. There might be some drummers watching, but yeah.
Don't want to insult them.
They're good fellas and girls.
Yeah.
Anyway, thank you.
Thanks,
Thanks for supporting our channel. Look at the links below. There might be a course or something there for you that could be, make you a better practitioner or join the community. The app is going nuts. You should join. Get it done.